What do you guys? Oh, Colton, no mouth.
Yeah.
Colton.
Sand.
No mouth. That's not to eat, buddy. Colton.
Where's all the seashells?
All the seashells?
Yeah.
This feels like sand at the beach?
Huh?
Yeah, put it in the cup, Colton. Where'd you put your cup, Caden?
I didn't have a cup. I was using yours.
Oh. Good boy, Colton. Good job, Caden. What are you making, Caden? A snowball?
Yeah. Can you help me make a snowball?
Sure.
With the sand?
Colton, be careful.
We're at the beach right now. We're at the beach right now.
You boys are making a mess, huh?
Can you make a snowball?
Sure.
Okay.